Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today's art project is inspired by the storybook Pete the Cat, Rockin' in My School Shoes. Watch my read aloud of this back to school story first, or read the book yourself if you're able to. In this video, you will learn a simple way to draw a shoe by following along with my drawing and my how to draw sheet. I use drawing supplies and paper to make mine. Feel free to make yours like me or try it in your own style. In your own mind, describe or envision your dream school shoes. What colors would they have? Will they have meaningful logos or symbols? Do they have accessories like colorful shoelaces, charms, or maybe even wheels? I'm asking these questions because this art challenge asks you to design your dream school shoes. And this is also a fill the page art challenge because you may also decorate the background with things from your favorite subjects in school. Our goal is to fill our papers with school fun. All of this drawing and designing can be hard on the wrists and exhausting on the mind. Take short breaks when it feels right by setting your drawing tools down and stretching or massaging your hands, fingers, and wrists. Your mind and your body will thank you. You could even try that out while you watch me finish my design. As well, continue imagining your dream school shoes so that you're ready to rock and roll once this video is finished. As a final step, I glued my drawing onto a larger sheet of construction paper to act like a picture frame. What will be your last step when you try this in your own style? I do hope you try this art challenge. You will need to create a work of art that shows your dream school shoes with your favorite subjects in the background. Yours may be a doodle or a masterpiece, and either way, happy making, artists. Enjoy!